2024 Best Cheap Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Ninja 300. In the exciting world of motorcycles, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 300 stands out as an exceptional and affordable choice for beginners, seamlessly blending sporty design, approachable performance, and rider-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best cheap motorcycles for those entering the realm of riding, the Ninja 300 exemplifies Kawasaki's commitment to crafting machines that offer an ideal combination of cost-effectiveness, beginner-friendly attributes, and the exhilaration of sport bike riding. In 2024, the Ninja 300 continues to be a compelling option for entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible thrills, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling on a budget. 1. Sport bike styling with budget-friendly elegance. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 boasts sport bike styling that delivers an aesthetic punch while remaining budget-friendly, making it an attractive choice for riders seeking affordability without compromising style. With its sleek bearings, dual headlights, and aerodynamic profile, the Ninja 300 exudes a dynamic presence on the road without breaking the bank. Kawasaki's commitment to cost-effective design ensures that the Ninja 300 not only provides an exhilarating riding experience but also stands as a visual testament to the affordability of sport bike adventure. 2. Economical parallel twin engine for efficient performance. At the heart of the Ninja 300 lies an economical 296 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and efficiency for beginner riders. Kawasaki's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for those looking for an economical yet exciting sport bike experience. The Ninja 300's engine provides ample performance for city commuting, highway cruising, and spirited rides, offering a budget-friendly platform for riders to explore the thrill of motorcycling. 3. Lightweight chassis for easy maneuvering. Designed for easy maneuvering, the Kawasaki Ninja 300 features a lightweight chassis and sportsman suspension that contribute to its responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's compact dimensions and balanced geometry make it easy for beginners to navigate through city traffic, carve through corners, and enjoy the thrill of sport bike handling. The Ninja 300's lightweight design enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and relish the excitement of dynamic rides without breaking the bank. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the Ninja 300 features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers a sporty yet accommodating seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and an upright handlebar, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Kawasaki's commitment to rider comfort makes the Ninja 300 not only a budget-friendly option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and dynamic rides. 5. Integration of essential features. The 2024 Ninja 300 seamlessly integrates essential features to enhance the overall riding experience. A user-friendly instrument cluster, LED lighting, and optional rider aids add contemporary functionality without inflating the cost. Kawasaki ensures that the Ninja 300 remains an economically yet technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of budget-friendly styling with essential conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 300 stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike affordability, securing its position as one of the best cheap motorcycles for beginners. Its sport bike styling, economical parallel twin engine, lightweight chassis, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of essential features make it an unrivaled choice for budget-conscious riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, navigating city streets with style, or enjoying spirited rides on a budget, the Ninja 300 encapsulates the spirit of Kawasaki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that